Still at the House of Representatives, Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto criticized the credibility of contractors Curly and Cesara Discaya. He says the Discaya's testimonies showed they were clearly angling to become state witnesses to avoid imprisonment. The mayor also pointed out contradictions in their claims.
We know there are senators that are guilty. We know there are congressmen that are guilty. We know there are contractors that are guilty. We know there are DQWH officials that are guilty. Everyone in this building knows that. Whether we admit it or not, we know that. Pero, itong listahan ni Discaya, ikaw ng mga statement, hindi lang yung listahan dahil buong statement nila, malinaw na ang sa bumalingan. I'll state it again para hindi ako ma-out of context, para malinaw po. Tingnan natin ng maigi. We have hundreds, if not thousands, of government contracts. And practically all districts in the Philippines. Number two, pinangalanan nila, iilan daw. Pero sinasabi nila na wala silang magawa, kailangan nila magbigay ng SOP. Ang dami palang hindi nila binibigyan. Ba't hindi na lang sila doon mag-adject? Ibig sabihin, walang pumilit sa kanila.